Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm recording this on my phone, so sorry the quality is a little bad, but I did this cute braid, a top knot look. I actually love it and it's something I wear pretty regular to work. I'm gonna do a voiceover for it just because my voice is a little tired. I've recorded a couple of videos today. As you'll know, I'm still wearing the onesie and the same makeup. I'm not even gonna try hide it, but this is the look that I went for. I'm going to do another variation of it as well, where I'm going to do two braids, so one at either side. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.